What's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones, and welcome to my $5 a day challenge. Okay, but first, make sure you do not fall for any type of spam. I will never ask you to send any money or crypto anywhere. I will never talk about a WhatsApp or a broker. Okay, and also too, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. All right, we're going to get right into the list. I'm going to keep this video straight to the point. I'm going to go through the list of stocks, and then I'm going to go through the list of crypto, and then I'm going to show you how to dollar cost average in with crypto. And at the end of that, you will see a video on this box that will show you how to dollar cost average in to stock. All right, let's go. So here it is, good people. This is my $5 a day challenge, hashtag $1,000,000 cup of coffee, investing $5 a day. All right, let's go over some of the stock in these, I'm gonna call them funds, okay? So I'm using Fidelity. I like the way that you can easily set these up under one profile. You can put different portfolios under one profile. So here is, as you can see, these are my ETFs and these are my blue chip companies, right? So I have ARK, I have QQQ, I have the SPY, the Vanguard VOO, and this is Invesco QQQ. Of course, this is Cathie Wood's ARK Invest, and then Vanguard's VTI. And then I have VUG, okay? And so I put VUG in there because I like VUG. It's Vanguard's index funds, all right? So now you could do VUG or you can do VB, all right? VB is Vanguard's small cap ETF, smaller growth stocks, okay? And but I like VUG, which is Vanguard's large cap growth companies. The difference in a small cap and a large cap has a market cap over 10 billion. So that's why I chose to go with VUG. Remember, you could switch these out whichever ones you want, right? So look here. This is the last price. These are the closing price. These are today's gains, all right? And these are total gains. So I just bought these today, and this is the current value of all. As you can see, they're just under $5, and I bought $5 a piece on each one of them, okay? Now, let's go to the blue chip companies, all right? I'm calling these blue chips, okay? Apple, Amazon, which are blue chip companies, Google, Microsoft, NVIDIA, all right? And then I put Tesla in there. Same thing, go to the top, you could see that here they are. Here's the current value, all right? So you could see the current value of them all. As you can see, losing a little money here, all right? So these are my blue chip companies, all right? Remember, we're gonna dollar cost average in for let's say till 2025. All right, we're gonna do this for years, good people, because this is how we build wealth. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, now let's look at the growth. As you can see here, down here at growth, we have DraftKings, we have Lucid, we have Palantir, okay, we have Roblox, we have SoFi. And initially, I told you guys that we were going to use the Sundial, but they won't let you do the fractional shares on Sundial for some reason. So I chose to go with Tilray. Both are in cannabis, of course. We're going to dollar cost average all the way through. This shows how much of the portfolio is invested in each one, and you could see the quantity, and you could see the 52-week range on these, all right? So you can freeze these and look at them and see if they work for you. And remember, these are just my picks. You can turn around and switch these out for anything, okay? Now here's my crypto list, my $5 a day crypto list. Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTC, Ethereum, ticker symbol ETH, Crypto.com, ticker symbol CRO, and Mana, ticker symbol MANA. And remember, you could switch these out with whichever ones you want to switch them out with, okay? And you can do ADA, Cardano, all right? You can do SAN instead of Mana. You understand? You pick the ones that best fit you. Let's look at how we do this, all right? So I am going to use, let's say Solana for an example. So we'll just hit Solana. Then we're going to hit trade. And then we're going to hit buy Solana. And then what I did was I just calculated. Now, up here with a dollar sign, you can buy it in dollars. If you hit the two arrows, you can buy it in Solana. You can buy a whole Solana. So we're going to do it for dollars for the $5 a day challenge. Now, I'm personally buying every month, okay? So I make one purchase every month because of the fees. Now, you can use whatever broker you have. If you don't have a broker, make sure you click the link and download my Coinbase below, all right? And then some of you have Coinbase Pro, all right, for lower fees. Now, what we can do is myself, I'm buying $5 a day per coin. So what I do every month is I buy $152 a month. Now here, where you see it says one-time purchase in the middle, I'm going to click that and I'm going to click monthly. Okay, boom. And so now it's going to purchase that much every month. And all I have to do is hit preview buy and buy. All right, mine is already loaded and it's already going. Let's say you get paid every bi-weekly. All right, or let's just say you're going to do $5 a month and that's all you have, but you want to split that amongst four different crypto. So what you do is $38 a month per crypto. So you'll go trade, you'll say buy Solana. You see here where it says one-time purchase. You're going to go to monthly. As you can see, you can buy it daily, weekly, the 1st and the 15th, or monthly. We'll go monthly, and then we'll simply do $38 per month, and I'll do that times 4 coins. And so you understand how that go. It still wind up being $5 a day at the end of the day. Now, for those of you that have not seen it, just for a refresher, I'm going to leave a video right here in this box, and it's going to show you how to purchase fractional shares in the Fidelity app, but it'll show you how to purchase fractional shares. All right. We'll see you later, good people. Live, love, laugh, and learn.